Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Obviously a very rough day here today, but there's an interesting, kind of bottoming attempt that's going on right now. Attempt being the key word, because this is why risk management, risk control is very important, because there are no guarantees in the market. So I don't want any of this to come across like this is for sure the bottom, but you can see that there's quite the track record now of the price coming down here right around this $1.18-ish mark, give or take. And you can see that the price has indeed been holding very, very strong. And it's been able to maintain that area, which makes it plausible, which makes it at least logical to think that there could be some sort of bounce, coming forward. Case in point, let's say the price had never bounced from this area, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like the price could bounce. You would be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Why would you say that it's going to bounce here? I mean, what makes you believe that? There's no other track record. There's no past history of it bouncing. But that's not the case here. There's a very clear track record that there are buyers down around this area. Now, are those buyers going to remain there? Again, no such thing as a guarantee, but it's a logical thought to have. And it's, presents a good little risk versus reward, because if it doesn't work out, oh well, assuming you're disciplined, you take a small loss. But if it does work out, then, the upside, who knows how high it could actually go. Now, if this is some sort of bottom and the price decides to start to work its way back upwards, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance going forward. Initial area of resistance is going to be basically the top portion where this little miniature bounce finally ran out of steam, and that's right up there at about $1.30. If $1.30 can be broken, then after that, things space out here a little bit. And next key overall level, not until right up around the $1.50 mark. So this is definitely a very interesting scenario, especially for those of you that have traded for a while. I'm sure you're well aware and you've seen stocks in this price range that get beat down in a hurry, and they can produce some very nice bounces, but they can also just continue to get slaughtered, which circles back to the original point. This is why risk management and risk control is very important on these risk versus reward type setups. So we'll see how this one continues to play out, but the week is young, still 3 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.